Good morning. Today we seeing some basic operations on sets. So first we seeing union of sets. Now seeing what is union of sets. So it is the set of all elements which are either individual or both in the common of given sets. That means what are the sets given, in that both sets to which elements are presented, that will be both sets to presented or any one set to presented, that will be written under union of set as a single set, and it is denoted by the symbol kappa. If A and B are any two sets and they denoted by the union of sets is by using a kappa B, and we read it as A union B. Now we seeing the set builder form of A union B. So if we taken an element X such that this X element, now here only we said that will be presented in both, or that means common, otherwise any one either individual, any sets to. So X is belongs to A, otherwise the element X is belongs to the set B. So here we use the symbol R. So the conjunction R is used. So the element X is presented in the set A, otherwise it is presented in the set B, or both to presented, not a problem. Okay, it is the set builder form of A union B. Now we see some examples of union of the sets. Now here given a question, the set A equal to 2, 5, 6, 8 elements and the set B equal to 5, 7, 9, 1 elements. Now find A union B and B union A. Comment on it. So now we seeing the set A is given 2, 5, 6, 8 elements, and the set B contained 5, 7, 9, 1 elements. First finding A union B. A union B equal to 2, 5, 6, 8 union 5, 7, 9, 1. Now already we said union means we will write all the elements. So here we taking all the elements of the given sets 2, 5, 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 1. Now here in these two sets we observed here 5 is the repeated number. So we will take single time 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9, 1. Now it is the A union of B. If we write all these numbers in a order 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it is A union B. Now if we finding B union A and the set B equal to 5, 7, 9, 1 union the set A equal to 2, 5, 6, 8. So already we said union means all the elements in the given sets all are present. So if we written means 5, 7, 9, 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, and we said if any element is repeated we take single only, and if we written all the elements in a order 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that is the set B union A. Now if both A union B and B union A observe, the two sets contained same elements 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will consider and we will generalize that A union B is equal to B union A. Okay. So in the sets A union B is equal to B union A. Now we see some more examples. Now if we observed in another problem, if the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements given, find A union A and comment on it. So now the given set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Now A union A. So 1, 2, 3, 4 elements union with, again A means 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Now already we said union means what? We have to write all the elements which are presented in the two sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we already said that in the two sets what are the elements presented that are written after in any one is repeated, we have to take single time only. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here these 1, 2, 3, 4 elements observed means that is nothing but the given set A. So we will conclude that A union A equal to A. Now if we observed in another example, the set A equal to XYZ and the set phi is null set, then find A union phi, phi union A and comment on it. So the set A equal to given X, Y, Z and the set phi is given null set. Now A union phi equal to X, Y, Z union the null set. Null set means there is nothing any element. So we will directly take the elements X, Y, Z. So the X, Y, Z elements are nothing but the given set A only. So A union phi is equal to A. Now if we observe phi union A, phi means the empty set union the set A. A means given with the elements X, Y, Z. Now both the sets to all the elements X, Y, Z only. That means here it is nothing but the given set A. So if we find A union phi and phi union A, we get the same result A only. So we conclude that A union phi equal to phi union A equal to A. Now here given a question, if A equal to ACD is one set, the set B contained with elements A, B, C, D, then find A union B and comment on it. Now we writing what are the given elements of the sets. First is the set A contained elements A, C, D, and the second set B contained the elements A, B, C, D. Now we writing A union B equal to A, C, D union A, B, C, D. Now already we said that union means we have to write all the elements in the given two sets. So A, C, D, A, B, C, D, and we said already this one also, if any element is repeated we have to take single time. So the element A is repeated twice, so we taking single, and C also repeated twice, so we taking single, and D also repeated twice, so we taking single, and the remaining element B. Now we are written all are in a order A, B, C, D. Now the A, B, C, D elements contained which set? That is nothing but the given set B. So now A union B is the answer, nothing but the second set B came. Now if we observe the question, the set A contained elements A, C, D, and the second set B contained the elements A, B, C, D. Now here if we observe all the elements of the first set A elements A, C, D are presented in the second set. So now we say here A is nothing but subset of B. So A is subset of B. Then A union B equal to B only. If A subset to B, then A union B equal to B. Now here we seen another problem. The set A equal to A, E, I, O, U elements are contained, and the second set B equal to contained elements A, I, U. Then find A union B, comment on it. Now what are the given sets? That will be writing the set A equal to A, E, I, O, U, and the set B contain the elements A, I, U. Now A union B equal to A, E, I, O, U union with A, I, U. Now already we said union means we have to write all the elements in the given sets. So A, E, I, O, U, A, I, U. Now here any element is repeated we have to take single only, that one also we said. So A, E, I, O, U, and A, I, U already repeated. Now the elements A, E, I, O, U answered 1 are all are presented in the given set A. So A union B equal to A. Now here we observed the given problem. The first set is contained elements A, E, I, O, U, and the second set B equal to contained with elements A, I, U. Now here if we observed all the elements in the second set all are presented in the first set. So here we said B is subset to A. So if B is subset to A, then A union B equal to A. Now we seeing the graphical representation of A union B. Graphical representation, that is nothing but Venn diagram. Venn diagram of A union B. Now we seeing. And the first set A, second set B, and the universal set mu, and here both circles are joined at some space. So in that space we write the common elements of the set. So now if we observe all the elements we taking as consideration, so we will write the total part of the given sets. So here it is the graphical representation of A union B. Now for some problems we observed the graphical representation, that means Venn diagrams of A union B. Now we seeing one example, the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements given, the set B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 elements given. Now find A union B. Now the set A equal to given with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and the set B equal to given with the elements 2, 4, 6, 8. Now finding A union B. Now A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 union with 2, 4, 6, 8. We already said union means we write all the elements contained in the both sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, and if any element is repeated we take single only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 already repeated, 4 also already repeated. So now the remaining elements 6, 8, it is nothing but A union B. Now this will be shown in Venn diagrammatic form. So the set A, the set B, and the universal set mu. Now the first set contained 1, 2, 3, 4 elements, and the second set contained 2, 4, 6, 8 elements. Now here both circles are joined in some space. In that some space we written both the elements have any common elements that will be we want to write. So both the sets contained 2 4 common elements, so that will be right in this set. So we have to write in that common space 2 4. Now in that first set contained 1 2 3 4 elements, so the 2 4 remaining the elements are 1 3. So in this remaining space any one place we want to write the elements 1 3. Now the second set B contained 2 4 6 8 elements. In that common space already we written 2 4 elements, so now the remaining elements are 6 8. So the 6 8 elements are presented in any one space. Now here given is the set A equal to with the elements 1 3 and the set B with the elements 1 3 5 7. Find A union B. The first set A equal to given 1 3 and the second set B equal to given with the elements 1 3 5 7. Now A union B equal to 1 3 union 1 3 5 7. So union means we have to write all the elements. So 1 3 1 3 5 7. If any element is repeated we have to take once only said. So 1 3 5 7. So 1 3 5 7 elements are contained in the set B. So A union B equal to B. Now here we observed in the question the set A contained elements 1 3 and the set B contained the elements 1 3 5 7. Now if we observe the problem, the first set contained elements all are presented in the second set. So here we said A is subset to B. So if A is subset to B, then A union B equal to B. Already we discussed here. Now we observed the graphical representation Venn diagram of this set A union B. Now the set A, the set B and the universal set. Now here we observed and we said here it is the common space. So now in the common space what are the elements we want to write? 1 3, and the first set contained 1 3 elements only, that will be here presented, and the second set contained 1 3 5 7 elements. So 1 3 already here we written, so the remaining elements are 5 7. So here we observed the first set, especially any element otherwise 1 3 there will be, there means nothing but. So we will show this Venn diagram in this model also, that is so here the set A contained elements 1 3 and the set B contained elements 1 3 5 7. So already 1 3 here we written, so the remaining 5 7 elements. So in this model also we can represent the Venn diagram of A union B if A is subset to B. Now here if we observed in the problem the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 elements given and the set B equal to 2, 4 elements given, find A union B. So now the set A equal to given with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and the set B equal to given with the elements 2, 4. Now finding A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 union 2, 4. Now union means what we said, we have to write all the elements contained in the both sets. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4. Now in that both sets contained elements to any repeated one, we have to take single only set. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these 1, 2, 3, 4 answered elements all are presented in the given set, the first set A. So A union B is equal to A. Now if we observe the problem, the first set contained elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and the second set contained elements 2, 4. So the second set contained elements all are presented in the first set. So we will say B is subset to A. So if B is subset to A, then A union B equal to A. Now we observed the graphical representation, that means Venn diagram of this problem. So here and in that common space already we said what are the elements both sets contained, that will be right. So now here both sets contained elements 2, 4. So that elements are writing here 2, 4. Now the first set contained remaining what are the elements, that are 1, 3. So the 1 and 3 elements are writing in the space of the A set. Now the second set contained what are the extra elements, that it has nothing, any extra element except 2 and 4. So that space is empty only. So we will show in another method of this Venn diagram. So here the second set contained 2, 4 elements. So the B set is 2, 4 and the first set contained extra elements 1, 3, that will be written in any space. So the B set contained only 2, 4 elements, that will be here be written. So it is the Venn diagram of A union B if B is subset to A. Thank you.